Welcome to the Glo-Bus Decision Entries, Step 6, Special Contract Offers and Corporate Citizenship. This is getting a little edge for almost nothing. So let's dive right into the examples. For the special contract offers, we only have really this one metric here, this special discount offer percentage. And what we want to do here is make sure that the value index of each one of these regions is higher than the competition. So let's go look at what the value index of the competition is. We go into comparative competitive efforts, and we look down here at special AC camera contracts. And the discount offer and value index are listed for the companies from the previous year. So this is year, if we are in, say, year 9, we can see what the other companies are doing. If we're in year 8, prior to the special contracts being there, I would suggest that we do special contract offers and you just increase that number to the full amount. But once you know what's going on with the competition, and you've been winning value contracts, you can start to cheat a little bit to get more out of the value contracts. And that's by looking at this value index, seeing who won them the last year and where everybody else is. Now we've got 48, we've got 84, we've got 81, and we've got this 102, which is our group. Now, if I'm trying to just beat Group B, I don't mind having a value index of, say, 90 or 95. So I'm going to go back into the special contract offers, and I'm going to change this percentage such that my value index is about 95 for each region. And I have to do this by looking at each region's value index, and I will get more out of each value contract. So here's my potential impact on performance measures, my cash flow, and what it is that I'm getting. Now, for whether or not you're going to incorporate that into your forecast, this will impact your earnings per share, which is listed here. And what that impacts is whether or not we get these bonus point awards. So if you decide that you're going to definitely get the specialty contracts, then I suggest that, and you can easily do it, then I suggest that you put yes. If you put no, that will decrease the earnings per share, which will change your forecast, and you may not get the bullseye awards. For corporate citizenship, the items that are most important are the renewable energy program, the improved working conditions, and the institution of a supplier code of conduct. If you choose these 3 at the bottom at the beginning of the game, it does decrease your earnings per share slightly, but it increases your image rating by a little bit. Now, the renewable energy program, this can be quite lucrative later in the game if you have a very large factory and very efficient factory. The renewable energy program can increase your image rating and also increase your credit rating, but it will also decrease your earnings per share. But it'll give you a little bit of a boost in image rating. This whole page is not very important, and I remind you to stay away from chasing the corporate social responsibility award unless your professor or in your course that you're taking, it gives you some kind of benefit in terms of marks. But it largely doesn't matter in terms of the points. It doesn't give you any kind of bonus points. It doesn't give you any type of benefit in terms of long-term image. Glo-Bus was constructed